A Visa gift card on Mistplay gives you the most flexible reward because it can be used almost anywhere. Visa is accepted. The catch is it usually costs more units than store-specific cards. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to redeem your Mistplay units for a Visa gift card and how to use it correctly after redemption. Here's the direct answer. Open Mistplay, go to the Rewards tab, choose the Visa gift card option, confirm your email, redeem your units, and activate the card if required. That's the full process. Start inside Mistplay. Open the app and tap the Shop or Rewards section. This is where all your redemption options show up. Scroll until you find Visa. Not every region offers Visa gift cards, so availability depends on your country. That's important. If you don't see Visa, it's not an app error. It usually means your local reward catalog is different. Next, check your unit balance. Mistplay shows the exact unit cost for each Visa reward. Make sure you have enough before you redeem. Visa rewards often cost more than Amazon or Google Play cards because they're more flexible. Once you pick the card, tap Redeem. Mistplay will ask you to confirm your email address. This matters because the reward details get sent there. A wrong email can delay the process. After confirming, submit the redemption. Now wait for the email. This usually contains either a digital Visa card code or a link to claim the card. This is where people get stuck. Some Visa gift cards need activation before use. That means opening the claim link, entering the card details, and sometimes verifying your identity. If you skip that step, the card may decline during checkout. Once activated, use it like a regular Visa card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code when paying online. One important detail. Some websites reject prepaid cards for subscriptions or recurring billing. That's normal. They work best for one-time purchases. Quick recap. Go to Mistplay Rewards. Find Visa. Check your unit balance. Confirm your email. Redeem and activate the card if needed. Practical next step. Open Mistplay now and compare whether a Visa card or store gift card gives you better value for your units. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Mistplay guides.